When you search for electric water bottle pumps, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Cozy Charm Water Jug Pump. If you're looking for a powerful and portable pump, the Cozy Charm Water Jug Pump is worth considering. Priced at $12.99, it caught my eye with its dual motors, promising a fast flow of water. If you want quick access to water without the hassle of lifting heavy jugs, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out about this pump is its dual powerful motors. These deliver a steady flow, filling a standard 16-ounce cup in just 9 seconds. That means no more waiting around for your water, which is crucial if you're always on the go. Plus, it's compact and lightweight at just 10 ounces, making it easy to carry around, perfect for homes, offices, or even camping trips. Now, some users did mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with how it works. But here's the thing, once you figure it out, it's super user-friendly. The USB rechargeable battery is a major perk too, allowing you to use it without being tethered to an outlet. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, efficient way to dispense water without the bulk of a cooler. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. For the price and features, it really delivers value. Now, if the Cozy Charm's installation frustrations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Cozy Blue Water Dispenser. The Cozy Blue Water Dispenser, priced at just $9.99. This one really caught my attention with its simple operation and sleek design. If you're tired of the hassle of lifting heavy bottles, this is a strong contender. What's great here is how easy it is to use. You simply touch a button and you get water without the need to flip or lift anything. It's made with high-density ABS plastic and food-grade silicone, ensuring it's safe and durable. Plus, it can pump approximately 5 to 6 bottles of water on a single charge, which is impressive for daily use. However, a few users reported that the battery life could be better. But honestly, if you're just using it for a couple of bottles a week, it should hold up just fine. And since it's USB rechargeable, you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, hassle-free way to get your water. Skip this if you're looking for a pump that can handle heavy, frequent use. For the price, you really can't go wrong. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for convenience. Product number 3, Beo Water Dispenser. The Beo Water Dispenser is next, and it's priced at $9.49. I was impressed by its emphasis on safety and convenience. If you're looking for a reliable pump that prioritizes clean water, this one deserves your attention. This pump features a powerful 1200 mAh battery that can be used for about 30 days on a full charge. It pumps 1.5 liters of water in just 1 minute, which is pretty efficient. Plus, the materials used, like the silicone hose and stainless steel outlet, ensure that your water stays clean and pure, which is a big deal if you care about what you're drinking. However, some customers noted that it sometimes stops pumping unexpectedly. Here's the thing, it has a built-in auto-stop feature to prevent overflow, but I can see how that might be annoying if you're in a hurry. Just keep in mind that it's designed to save you from making a mess. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, user-friendly option that focuses on safety. Skip this if you prefer a pump that's more hands-on and doesn't auto-stop. It's a solid investment for the features it offers. Now, if Beo's auto-stop feature seems a bit annoying, the next one might provide a simpler experience. Product number 4, MyVision Water Dispenser. The MyVision Water Dispenser coming in at $9.99. This one stands out with its promise of a lengthy 2-year replacement service. If you want peace of mind with your purchase, this could be the one for you. This pump is designed for effortless use with a straightforward one-button operation. It can pump about 1.5 liters in a minute and works for 30-40 days on a single charge. The materials are BPA-free, which is great for health-conscious users. Plus, with a built-in rechargeable battery, you can easily use it for several bottles without hassle. That said, some reviews mention that the pump might stop working without warning. But honestly, with a 2-year replacement guarantee, it feels like you're covered if anything goes wrong. Just be sure to reach out to customer service if you encounter issues. They're responsive and eager to help. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free experience with good customer support. Skip this if you're looking for a pump with a more premium build quality. It's a reliable option for everyday use. Now, if MyVision's potential reliability issues concern you, let's check out the final product, which promises ease of use. Product number 5, ECD Water Pump. We have the ECD Water Pump, priced at $9.89. This one caught my eye with its user-friendly design and compact size. If portability is what you need, this might be the best option for you. What makes the ECD stand out is its ease of installation and operation. With just a press of a button, you can get your water flowing, and it automatically stops after 1 minute to prevent waste. It can pump 1 liter of water in just 1 minute, which is pretty quick. Plus, it fits all standard bottlenecks, making it versatile for different uses. However, a few users mention that it can hum but not pump if it's not positioned correctly. But here's the thing, a little adjustment usually fixes it. So while it can be a slight hustle at first, it's generally easy to get right. This is perfect for you if you need a portable pump for outings or travel. Skip this if you prefer something with a more robust build for heavy everyday use. It's definitely worth the investment for casual use. So there you have it. We've covered the Cozy Charm, Cozy Blue, Beo, MyVision, and ECD pumps. Each has its pros and cons, but they all provide a pretty solid solution for dispensing water effortlessly. Whether you prioritize speed, safety, or convenience, there's something here for everyone.